Hi guys, welcome back to our drone channel. You know, what's been bugging me for a while is the Mavic 3 Pro's charging hub. So I got something different and I'm gonna show it to you right now, so stay tuned.
If you like what you see, then subscribe.
At the moment, I'm super busy. Besides smaller shots for clients, I'm working on a bigger project where I mainly use two drones. I rely on the DJI Mavic 3 Pro for panoramic views and steady aerial shots of events and landmarks. The DJI Avatar, on the other hand, gives me exciting, action-packed footage and is great for capturing close-ups. I'm also using ground cameras with gimbals and the DJI Mic 2 for interviews. As you can see, I have a lot of gear and need plenty of batteries and, of course, power. On regular shoot days, the drones are in the air for over an hour sometimes, which isn't really a problem for the Mavic 3 Pro since I have the Fly More kit with 3 batteries. The Avatar though only lasts just over half an hour with its 3 batteries intensively flying. Overall, I often hit my limits and have to take longer breaks to recharge the batteries. And the most frustrating thing is that the Mavic 3 Pro charging hub only charges one battery at a time. So if all batteries are dead, it takes a good 3 hours to charge them all. The Avatar has for sure a similar issue. It always ends up wasting lots of time. So I mainly looked for an alternative for the Mavic 3 Pro and I think I found it. This little station is a triple channel charger and charges all my batteries at the same time. And I know there will be people saying to only use DJI equipment to charge DJI batteries. But honestly, I've been using this device for almost 2 weeks now and haven't noticed any significant changes to the Mavic 3 Pro batteries. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Stick with DJI equipment or use third-party stuff too. Anyway, this charger is from a company called Limeta, I don't know how to pronounce it. Never heard of them before. The box says they are from China. Surprise, surprise! It has a max charging power of 100 watt for a single battery and 200 watt for multiple batteries at once. It has 3 battery slots plus an extra USB-C port I'll show you more about in a minute. But first, let me show you the test with my empty batteries. I just got back from a shoot today, so my drone is still in my case. The first battery still has one LED left, so I'd guess it's about 10 to 20%. The rest are still in the case. By the way, it's a super handy case and waterproof too. I really like it. But anyway, second battery, same thing, one LED left. The last one is a totally different story. No LED are on, totally dead. Alright, let's get started. Here's the good stuff. Plug in the power and you can already hear the fan kicking in. So be prepared for some noise. Well, to time it, I run a stopwatch. This way we'll know exactly how long it takes. Okay, first put in the completely dead battery, then the other two. Well, it doesn't really matter. And for sure start the stopwatch. Alright, here we go. From my experience, the batteries were fully charged after about an hour. As you can see, there's a small display on the charging station. The white icons show the 3 slots, all of which are occupied. The middle green LED indicates, I think, that charging is happening, and the LED on the far right, I have no idea. But you can clearly see that all the batteries are charging at the same time. Okay, let's fast forward. After about 54 minutes, the middle battery is fully charged. After about 1 hour and 30 minutes, the second battery is also fully charged. And the completely dead one is charged after 1 hour and 20 minutes. So in less than an hour and a half, I have all 3 Mavic 3 Pro batteries fully charged and ready to go. Well, in comparison, that's about the same charging time as one battery in the DJI 100 watt charging hub. So all 3 batteries would have taken about 3 to 3.5 hours. That's a real time saver. What do you think? Drop me a comment below. But there's another feature I want to show you. The charging station has a USB-C port. If we put a Mavic 3 battery in and the charging station isn't plugged in, it can be used as a power bank. We just turn on the intelligent flight battery. A new red icon appears in the middle, indicating that we're in power bank mode. The cool thing is, we can now easily connect the DJI Avatar charger to it. I'll grab the Avatar battery from the last flight. It's not completely dead, but it only has about 50% left. Just plug it into the charging station and after a short while you can see it starts charging. According to the manual, it charges at 100 watt. And shortly after, the Avatar battery is fully charged. This used about 40% of the Mavic 3 Pro battery, and of course this works with any other device too. I have to say, that's pretty awesome. And that's pretty much everything I wanted to show you today. If you are interested in this charger, the link is in the description below. I find it super helpful and use both features. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, and if you don't want to miss anything, sub to the channel. If you missed our last video, don't worry, you can find the link here or here. Anyway, I dove into the world of FPV and horribly crashed my drone a lot. Thanks for watching today. Remember, life's too short to be angry. Have a great day. See you. Bye bye.